Hey everyone, we're headed to the World Ag Expo in Tulare, California, and if you work in agriculture, this one's for you. This is a major AG focus show, which means we're bringing diagnostics built for off-highway machines like tractors, harvesters, sprayers, and more. At the TEXA USA booth, you'll be able to check out our IDC6 software running on our tablets. You can see how we can support AG vehicles and learn how our tools help techs diagnose faster, work smarter, and stay efficient in the field, showcasing coverage across major ag brands like John Deere, Case IH, New Holland, Kubota, and AGCO, plus answering your questions, running live demos, and showing how our system supports diagnostics and day-to-day workflow in the field. So if you're attending the World Ag Expo, make sure to stop by booth 3514 here in Tulare. We'll be on site and ready to talk AG diagnostics. We'll see you there.